just opened the cabin door in the middle of the night to let some fresh air in. I've got this guy hitching a ride, looking at me like it's me that should be getting off, not him. It's not flying fish to clear up in the morning, it's going to be bird shit. So one of us is leaving this boat, buddy, and it ain't me. Look at the mess that guy has made. Everyone goes, oh yeah, in nature wonderful. On mornings like this? No, not particularly. Why can't I just get dolphins and whales like all the other ocean rowers?